Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.